Sending money from Australia to Nepal is now easier and more affordable than ever with this simple guide to using Remitly. First things first, you'll need to download the Remitly app from your smartphone's app store or visit their website once you've got it open. It's time to create your account. You'll typically need to provide your email address and create a secure password. Next, Remitly will ask for some personal information to verify your identity. This usually includes your full name, date of birth, and your Australian address. They may also ask for your contact number. Now, let's talk about sending your money to Nepal. You'll need to decide how your loved ones will receive the funds. Remitly offers several convenient options, including cash pickup at selected locations, direct bank deposits into Nepalese bank accounts, and even mobile money transfers. To initiate a transfer, you'll enter the amount you wish to send in Australian dollars. Then, you'll need to select Nepal as the destination country and choose your preferred delivery method from the options we just discussed. You'll then enter the recipient's details, such as their full name and bank account number if you're doing a bank deposit. Remitly is known for its transparent fee structure and competitive exchange rates. Before you finalize the transfer, you'll see a clear summary of the fees and the exchange rate being applied, so you know exactly how much your recipient will receive in Nepalese rupees before you confirm. For payment, you can typically use your Australian debit or credit card. Simply enter your card details into the secure payment section. Once you've reviewed everything, hit that send button. You'll receive a confirmation of your successful transaction almost immediately. And you can often track the progress of your transfer directly through the Remitly app. It's a cost-effective and reliable way to support your family and friends back home.